Okay, masking paper on. Decided to do the bottom in the arches, toe board, up inside the front balance. Obviously the boot arches up inside the rear valance, and we're going to do the bottom flat surface from the inside of the boot, only the bottom flat surface. So I've not sprayed anything before. Obviously we've got the compressor. I've got myself a test piece of metal here, old floor. Got myself my Gravitex, nice and warm. Been in front of the fan heater for a while, which has just generally been raising the temperature in here a bit. So hopefully it's, I don't know, 17 degrees or something in here now, rather than 7. Not too worried about paint blooming or anything like that with this part of the paint job. So yeah, hopefully we'll be alright. But first things first, we'll get it all hooked up. Pressure about 55, it says on the bottle 40 to 70, so we'll start at 55. Yeah, let's get it hooked up and then we'll say some more. Right, so we got this at about 50 when depressed. This is the amount of fluid for the gun. It doesn't actually make a huge difference from my little test sprays. Basically, if you get way too close, it does this. So we need to stay at a reasonable distance. Short bursts seem fine. This gun, I think they're pretty cheap on their own, like £8 or something, but you can get them with the U-pole. So that's the Gravitex that we're going to be spraying on the car. And just to show you what it looks like, we'll do this. It's grey, so point down there where it's rusty. You can see it coming out. Try and do a stripe. So I've got to be a good foot away really. Compressor come on, but let's put some on the car. Change. Right, been 10 minutes, air's cleared, job is starting to dry. Hopefully you think that looks alright. I'm relatively happy. Nice bit of orange peel effect. Okay, you can see this seam sealer underneath, but generally the finish is that orange peel that we were going for. So we're all done down in there, under the balance, and that wing. Obviously the back section, and under the arches here as well. And then we are done inside the boot. The boot floor, just the bottom surface that will take the battery and the wheel. So there you go. First ever bit of spraying using Gravitex. I got a tiny bit of overspray on the tops of the doors on one side, but I haven't finished doing the surface prep of the rest of the car, so I would say get your stone chipping done before you prep your doors and quarter panels and roof and everything for the primer. So I'm going to put body colour under here, so from here forward the whole rest of the car will get the same treatment. As I say, I've never done it before, so I've no idea, but we'll give it a go. Yeah, if it turns out absolutely terribly, maybe we'll have to send it away, but hopefully I can do a good enough job. Alright, thanks guys. Any questions about the product, just let me know down there and I'll try and answer for you. Thanks, bye now.